Hello crafty friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Connie here from the Daily Life of Creativity. And today I am doing an unboxing video on this beautiful collection that I got from Doodlebug. Thank you so much, Cynthia. I love you so much. If you don't know, I am currently in their um, design team. So I get to make all these fun projects with the product they sent me. And I share with you all. Sometimes I share YouTube videos here on my YouTube channel, on Instagram, just flip throughs or, pictures or blog posts also over at the Doodlebug Designs blog. So today I am just going to share what I got for this collection. It is super cute. I am missing some little things like the key charm and also missing some of the little charm holders. So the first thing that I will go through, let's go through the icons. Well, the first thing that I got was, of course, these sticker doodles. This one says Crafty Girl. They're waterproof, dishwasher safe. I'm having a hard time talking today, guys. My accent is just like coming out really thick today. I don't know why. But these are waterproof and dishwater safe. Okay. They're ready for you to add to your favorite water bottles, your cars, your projects that are outdoors, whatever you want to do with them. And I absolutely love them. They're super cute. If you have friends that you would like to give this to, no matter what type of craft you're into, what you like to do, these are perfect. Okay. So that is the first. And here are the larger items that I got. So, of course, I got the 6x8 paper pad. Color Me Crafty. They're double-sided pages. And let's go through them, right? So this is the cover. And then you get the sheets, the floral with the black background. And then you get green polka dot side, scallop with floral pattern on the other side. And then you also get all this little, they almost look like little flowers or asterisk signs. And then you get little strips of the collection that you can cut out and do definitely different things to them. And I love that every single girl here is different. You can just document everything that you want with it. See, scissors, it's so colorful. You can document your events, your process, your craft room, everything, the favorite things that you love about scrapbooking and so on. This is a striped paper, and then on the other side you have the tags, some cameras in different colors, and then on the other side you have some yellow and black polka dots. Super cute. And then this one is colorful dots, and the other side have like a thick strip. I would think this is like what, maybe 1 inch, I don't know. Let me see here. I am getting my ruler just to ensure. I would say this is about 2 inches. You have to, yes, 2 inches. And then you get some of those cut apart cards that are definitely, I would say, 1.5 by 2, and then some 3 by 2 inches, and then some cut aparts. These are great for cards and just whatever you want to do, guys. You know, we are also creative, and we always make different things, and just makes it fun. Here are more cut aparts, tags. I love tags. I love, love, love tags. I love making them. I love using them on different projects. And this is the other side of it with a stitched line going across with the colorful background with the lines. Here are some buttons, and then more cut aparts with journaling bits, and then just little cameras that you can cut apart and just do different things. A floral background with more cut aparts. Which is super cute. And then you have created, creativity is the experimenting of growing, taking risks, breaking rules, making mistakes, but most of all having a lot of fun. And that is what happened usually in my craft room. I experiment a lot, I make a lot of mistakes, even have a hard time to express myself, but when it comes to my project, it always ends up being what I love doing. So I love that strip. I want to add that to my mini album that I will create next. And then I have some colorful little strips of paper here, and then just a full cover that you can add to, you know, an album or a layout or whatever you're making to my crafty life, just to document your crafty life, I guess. Okay, so yeah, so that is the 6x8 papers. What is next? The next thing that I got was the mini icons. This one comes with 3 sheets. The 3 icon sheets. If you wanted to get a closer look, here it is. Of course, you get all the ladies and they're all different. I love that. And you get a versatile look. Like you don't have to, you just only, you have everyone here. This feels like a community. Like everyone belongs, right? A little travel ticket, like when we go to those scrapbooking events, you know? It's so pretty. Even the little packs, the odds and ends are here. So that makes it fun. All right. Puffy icons. These are the puffy icons. They're super pretty. I'm trying to remove the packaging so they don't look so shiny, but I think it will be okay. And here are the puffy icon words. So these are the puffy icons, and these are the words. This is the icons cardstock stickers. I love that we have the happy place, my happy place. Like if you want to document the corner that you scrapbook in your living room, your craft room, your bedroom, wherever it is that you find your happiness. I know I have scrapbooked in every single place. Like right now I have a room that is dedicated to my scrapbooking. But before, when I first started, it was in my mom's home, you know, wherever I had a little peaceful area. It was on the dining room table, in the kitchen, wherever, just playing with stickers, crayons, colorful pencils. And then when I married my husband, I know it was in the living room, and then he went to behind the couch in the living room, and then he went to a little corner like in a bedroom. So it's just wherever you find your happy place where you can be you and just have fun and relax, right? Oh God, I have more papers from the 6x8 paper pad. I didn't even realize. This one has all the icons, everything crafty. So pretty. And there's the other side, the B side. And then, of course, we have the purple background with the florals. And this one here. I think I showed you guys. I think I need to put the paper pad together. I'm missing some bits and pieces. There you go. And this is the 12x12 sticker sheet. You, of course, have the strips here from Color Me Happy. And I love that they all have different patterns, you know, polka dots and stripes and this type of pattern here. I cannot remember the word right now. This would be so pretty to add to my crafty friends. Like if you want to document your trip to a crafty event, or just to document the people that inspire you to create those projects. If you are a 24/7 crafter like I do, I can craft any time of the day. Morning, night, I don't sleep. Just a craft, I don't sleep. I will be in here if I'm in my good state of mind. Everything is good around me. Nothing bad is happening. I can be in my craft room. So that is the 12x sheet sticker sheet we got. And then we got all the acetate. I love that acetate hearts. I'm not sure how much of that you're catching, but there you go. This is the hearts acetate. I have a ring line and box line, so you're gonna see that in the. So that is the acetate, and I love making albums with them. Look, this is one of them that I made. It's an acetate album. I did a string closure with butterfly. I got this from a pack of beads that I have here. I have a lot of beads, guys. I just need to create charms and closures with them so you guys can see. And then this is an album that I made. You see? This is all that I did. Since the closure is so beautiful, all I did was added a sticker in the front. Let your dreams be your wings. See? Pretty much what this collection, the new collection, is showing. And then I added that butterfly. So that is a way that you can use the acetate. Or you can create shakers like I do. Like I love doing little shaker tags. That is one of my favorite things to do. All right, and then here are the 12x12 sheets. Okay, so first of all, you get this crafty colors paper. I love everything about it. On the memory, all the memories, you can just list them. Just cut them apart, add them to your albums. This is the same cut apart from the 6x8 paper pad. Creativity, experimenting. Creativity is experimenting, growing, taking risks, breaking rules, making mistakes, but most of all, having lots of fun. And I had to read it again because why not, right? A crafting we will go. A crafting we will go. I don't know. Maybe I'm not reading that right. A crafting we will go. This is where your bags are packed and you're just having fun. And this is the other side of it. And I have two, just in case. More 3x4 cut aparts. They're all so pretty. I just love this little girl. She says, hello. You make me smile. The typewriter. And then with that floral background. So pretty. So these are just pretty much the same papers from the 6x8 paper pad. It's just on a larger scale. You get your 4x6, your cut apart still, your 3x4s. And then the other side of this is what? Those dots. See, colorful dots. Polka dots. Yellow and black background with the cameras. The tags that are cut apart with the stripes. I can't think of the word right now. The strips of, you can do so much with this. See here, just on a bigger scale with that backing, floral background with the scallop, colorful, beautiful. If you want to cut every single one individually, you can have fun. If you like to fussy cut, and then floral with the green block dots. But floral background with the purple on the B side, and then the teal with the lines, also with that beautiful icon sheet. So pretty. Got the Color Me Crafty shadow box. If you have not seen my projects, I have done cover albums of this. I have done cards. I have done layouts with this. There is so much more that you can do with this. Just because it says shadow box doesn't mean that you need to stick to what it says. You can do layout, so much things with it, just with color papers. I also got the Color Me Happy assortment. So this is a texture cardstock that matches the collection. I don't want to take it out. And then this one is the Color Me Crafty. This one has like florals and different pattern papers. You know, so you can pretty much get every pattern here that matches the collection. Okay, so now for the last things are the doodle pops. I got this one that is just a note, that little cute typewriter with the floral that says hello. And before I continue, I also got the, what is this? A pen. I love the pens. This is a pen. It is beautiful. I love the rainbow color, like it's printing a picture. The camera, this one is Snap Happy. This one is Crafty Girl with that bag, you know. This one is Tools of the Trade. Girls Get Away. BFFs. All your BFFs. So pretty. This one is called Making Memories. And this one is called Color Me Happy. So pretty. And these are the sprinklets and sprinkle shapes that I got. The floral one, Garden of Color, Love the Memories, and Crafty Girl, and the enamel dots. And then I also always get Stand Alone. This is a die cut. And then the Your Treasure. So pretty. You're a Treasure. And then Best Friend. This is a stamp and die set that coordinates with each other. So if you love coloring, this is where you can have some fun. And the last thing is the cards and envelopes that I love using on my mini albums. Hardly ever I use them on cards. I always use them with my albums. And then once in a blue moon, I use them on cards. So these are really fun. And I love that they coordinate with the collection, with the colors. And you can just have fun. And of course, I got the Chit Chat. This one has 101 pieces. It comes with all those words, tags, and just little icons. And then I also got the bits and pieces Color Me Happy with the florals and different icons. And then this one is 100 and, okay, so this one is what, 171 pieces. And this one is 142 pieces, odds and ends. It comes with all those cute little shapes from the collection. I'm just gonna go, all right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open this one here so you can get a little closer look of what it comes with. All right. Of course, you get all the girls, all your crafty besties. Of course, you get the card. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. Craft stuff. Card. She's so cute. Almost looks like me. Oh my goodness. I love it. All right, guys. So, see? It's so beautiful with her little pearls. Suitcases. Planner. All right, guys. So that is it. And because of this collection, I was inspired to create an acrylic word. It's called Crafty Girl with the Little Scissors. I'm working on an order right now. Actually, my husband is cutting it out for me. So I have an Etsy shop where I sell acrylic embellishments and instructions for album, also some album kits. You can find this over on my Etsy shop. And it helps my family, guys. And we do take a little time we cut every order as they come in. Okay, and we have a smaller machine, so that is the reason why it takes a little bit longer, but it gets to you on a good time. So remember that. And I am so happy for your support and everything. I'll go ahead and link everything where you can get everything. Scrapbook.com, a cherry on top, and also my Etsy shop. Thank you. Bye.